You open an exchange app, buy some Bitcoin, maybe throw in a coin a friend mentioned, and call it a portfolio. That's not a plan, that's a shopping cart. A real crypto portfolio is built on purpose, not picked at random. The order you build it in and how much you put where matters more than which coins you pick. Start with a core. Most experienced investors put the majority of a crypto portfolio into the handful of assets with the longest track record and the deepest liquidity. Think Bitcoin and Ethereum. That core is what holds the portfolio steady when things get volatile. Around that core, some investors add smaller positions in other projects. But owning 10 different coins isn't the same as being diversified. Many smaller cryptocurrencies tend to move together, so when the market drops, they often drop together too. The other piece is sizing. Decide upfront what percentage goes into your core, what goes into smaller bets, and what stays in cash. That decision protects you from putting too much into any single asset before you even know how it will perform. Think of it like a plate at dinner. Most of the plate is the reliable stuff you know you can digest. A smaller corner is for something new you're trying. You wouldn't fill the whole plate with the experiment. Building a portfolio this way won't make headlines, but it's the difference between reacting to the market and actually having a plan. We've laid out the full step-by-step, including how to size each piece in the article linked below.